In this video, we are going to discuss about the installation of Wireshark. First of all, the Wireshark is used for capturing and analyzing the network traffic in real-time scenario. So, according to your convenience, you can go for any browser. So here I am going for the Google Chrome browser. So for downloading the Wireshark, we need to go for an official website of www.wireshark.org. So you can see here the three icons are displayed. So for downloading, you just click on this download icon, and now you are able to see the different versions, different operating systems which support the Wireshark. So here the Windows installer of 64-bit, Windows installer of 32-bit, and Windows portable apps, Mac. All these are operating systems which supports the Wireshark. So just for now, we are going for a Windows installer of 64-bit. Just click on it. And you can see that the ext file of the Wireshark is getting downloaded.